Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Assalamu alaikum. This is your afrah mariam and today I am going to recite Surah Al-Fil and its story. If you like my video, then please subscribe it, like, comment and share. Please. Here I am going to say the story of Abrahat king. The father of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abdullah, and the mother of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Amina, were living in Mecca. Abdullah went to Syria for a business trip. About 2 months before Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam would be born, his father died at Medina while returning back from the journey. During that time, Mecca was very famous for the house of God and became a big business center. The king of Yemen, Abrahat, became very greedy. To control the Mecca, he wanted to destroy Kaaba. He thought to attack Mecca with a big army. He had 60,000 soldiers and around 13 big elephants. The people of Mecca became very scared. Abdul Muttalib was the most honorable person among Mecca. He had a strong faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He prayed to Allah to save the house of Allah in a miracle way because they did not have enough strength to fight Abrahat's army. At that time, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's mother was 7 months pregnant. When Abrahat's army close to Mecca, all the elephants just sat there without moving forward. Suddenly, all the elephants started to run other direction. At that time, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent lot of small birds with stones from Jahannam. There were 3 stones with a bird, 1 in their beak and 2 in their claws. These birds are called ababil. They dropped their stones on Abrahat's army. The stones killed them instantly. Their body became like mashed corn. Every one of them died by the punishment of Allah. That miracle was a big alarm to the whole world to warn them not to attack Mecca. After Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's prophethood, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this surah, Surah Al-Fil. In this surah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminds the people how he destroyed Abrahat's army with just little birds. This year is known as Al-Fil, which means the year of elephant. Now I'm going to recite this surah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil. Alam yaj'al kaydahum fi tawlil. Wa arsala alayhim tayran ababil. Tarmihim bihijaratin min sijil. comment and share. Thanks for watching.